Welcome back. So we're on the fifth comma rule. Use a comma after an introductory infinitive phrase. The last few rules we've looked at, the previous one, use a comma with a participle or participial phrase as an introduction. We're dealing with commas and introductory spots here. So highlighted introductory and highlighted infinitive phrase. What's an introductory? Where is that located? It's located at the beginning of the sentence. So if you look at the side note on the board, you can see that. As well as infinitive. What's an infinitive? An infinitive is a verb form almost always preceded by the word to, T-O. So to dance, to run, to swing, those would all become infinitives. In a sentence, an infinitive can function as a noun, adjective, or adverb. In this instance, we're looking at infinitive phrases that come at the beginning of a sentence. So, looking at the sentences on the board, to play the guitar, one has to be fairly talented. To play is an infinitive. The guitar, to play the guitar is an infinitive phrase. This is one big infinitive phrase. And since it comes at the beginning, it's followed by a comma. So use a comma after an introductory infinitive phrase. Looking at the second example, to see some planets and stars. Again, here is to plus the verb. See is the verb, that's your infinitive. Some planets and stars creates the rest of the infinitive phrase, and then our comma after there. So the comma is used to separate that infinitive phrase from the rest of the sentence. And then lastly, to help her with her math. To plus help, there's your infinitive. Her with math is the remaining infinitive phrase. The teacher stayed late. So again, most important thing here is to understand that an infinitive is to, usually with to. It may not have to, maybe a situation where there isn't a to, but at the beginning of the sentence, more than likely it's going to have to plus the verb, to play the guitar, comma, to see some planets and stars, comma, to help her with math. So an infinitive phrase at the beginning of a sentence needs to be set off by a comma. Good luck with your activity.